In our last tutorial, we were able to create making image clickable and aligning images. So for example, we created this, we made this image clickable. So we made this image clickable. Let's view it on there is image. Let's open it on a web page. So this is what we have. So we made this image clickable. If somebody click this, we move you to another website. So that is what we did. So, and that is what we have here. Again, this one, we move the image from left to right. So when you check this, you can see the image was here. This image was here, moved it from here to here. So as we continue, you will see how to move it up and down. But now we moved it from left to right. We can return it back by putting left again. When you save it, come to the web page and refresh. See, the image will come back. So if you put right there, you put right again, look right, the image will go back. Look right, refresh, image will go to right, moving the image left and right. Okay, so our next tutorial is examples of what we are doing. We are going to create a profile, a user profile. I can call it my profile. So I've already created profile.html. Look at it. You want to create a file here, you come here, click, you see new file. If it's a folder, come here, you click it. If it's file, come here, click it. Normal click. Then it will open. Then you type the name of the file .html. That is what I did. Typed profile.html, and we had this page. So we started with doc type, the HTML itself, and other things we need, the head and the title. The title of our, this is profile picture. So you come here and see my profile. My profile. Okay, we want to put image, the image of our profile. So we want to take the image from here, from this inside our file. So I've already put image. So this is the image I put here. So, and I want to drag this image. I want to put this image in my profile. What I need to do, source is the path to your image. So, and this is the image. What I need to do is just place the name of the image because it's within my profile. The extension is JPEG. Okay. The alternative, in the case my image is not it's not there, it's missing. So what is going to show? It will show my profile picture. So this is the width of the image. This is the style. You can also put height. Let me put height something like 150. The height something like 150. 150. The height of the image. Then another thing, let's style the image. We put style. So what we are going to do, we want to make this image your profile image circle around the image. So if you want to make circle around the image, you make use of what we call border radius. Border radius. So this border radius will, if you use 50%, it will create circle around your image. Okay. So let's save and check it on. You come to where your file is. This is where our file, my first web project. Then you go to the profile. You can double click or you can right click and open it. Let's double click this. So when we double click it, we have this. So we have this. The height is this is our profile picture. So this is too stressed. This is my profile. If you come to this one is showing that title. In the head you have title. So this one is just the heading, my profile, and this is image we placed. This image is too stretched. Let's see what we can do. Let's put this one 200. So height 200, width 200, making it square and rounded the corner of the square using the border radius to make it look like a circle. So let's check it again, refresh. I think it's a bit better now. So let's see how we can put all our other details like the name, address, other things. So when you come here, you will see I used p tag. We have done all these things. You can go and check it in our recent tutorials. P tags meaning the paragraph. This is the name. I can also put my phone number. You just copy and paste. Name. Let's replace this one with my phone. Something like phone number. Phone number. My phone number 070 32 26 32 72. That is my real phone number. Let me align. Okay, and save. Let's refresh. You can see I have my name, my phone number. You can see other things in your profile. That is the basic way of creating profile. Later you can be moving this from here. If you want the profile to be at the center, you can move everything, but we do that when we will be working on CSS. Thanks for watching. See you in our next lesson.